Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review and first impressions of the new Covergirl foundation. So this is called the Trublend Matte Made Foundation. I have mine in M10 Golden Natural. So this is supposed to give a very comfortable feel as you're wearing it, up to 12-hour wear. This is oil-free, which is huge for me because I have switched over to oil-free foundations. I feel like they break me out less. There's also 40 different shades to choose from with this foundation, which is amazing. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys a little close-up here. I do really like this packaging. You get 1 fluid ounce in each bottle, so you just pull the cap off like this, and then it comes with a nice little pump to dispense the product. As someone with sensitive, dry skin, sometimes oily, I basically have combination skin where my cheeks are incredibly dry, and then in my T-zone area in the summertime I do get a little oily. So the best way for me to apply foundation is with a blending sponge, which is what I'm going to be doing today. This is from Real Techniques. I'm just going to read what it says on the Covergirl website about this foundation. The formula is developed with Flexi Hold technology that creates a strong yet flexible film on the skin for durability and comfort, while mattifying powders absorb excess oil and help to minimize pores for a very soft, matte, flawless finish. So we're gonna go ahead and do our first pump on the back of the hand. So I'm going to show you guys first what 1 pump of this looks like. Oh, I forgot, I also wanted to use the Covergirl Trublend new skin primer. This is for skin smoothing. It helps to really smooth and blur out the skin to create a perfect canvas. It helps extend the wear of your makeup. It is long lasting and gives a weightless feel. It is also oil free and fragrance free, so it's suitable for all skin types. I wanted to just throw this on first as my primer. I'm just gonna blend that in. Well, that actually feels really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go in now with some on the cheeks. I'll see, 1 pump I do not think is gonna be enough for me. Perfect match. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I can see everything still. 1 pump, I'd say, gives you kind of like a all over skin tone adjustment, but it definitely does not cover dark spots, which I have a lot of. So it is going on really nice and evenly, which is good. It's not caking up on me. It doesn't feel super dry. We're gonna go ahead and go in with another pump. We'll see how this looks. Oh yeah. That is so much better. 2 pumps, that's all I need. It definitely feels lightweight though. I totally don't feel like I'm wearing any foundation. Wow, that looks really nice. It could be my SPF underneath that's giving me like a nice glow. One of my biggest issues that I have with a lot of foundations is that they'll sink into the fine lines on my forehead. So hopefully this foundation doesn't do that. What I am gonna do next though is go in with all my other makeup, my concealers, powders, blush, bronzer, all that kind of stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys how the foundation looks with everything on top of it, and then I'm gonna check back with you guys after a few hours, show you how it looks then, and then probably check back with you again later tonight before I go to bed so you can see how it wears throughout the day. so this is my makeup all finished. I'm really impressed. I really like this foundation. I think this might be my new drugstore favorite. I like that even though I did build 2 full layers of this on my face, it doesn't actually feel like I did that. So excited that this is an oil-free foundation, so it's not gonna break me out. The makeup actually sat and blended really well onto my skin. Even with some matte foundations that I have, I find that I have to like blot my face sometimes throughout the day, so hopefully this one won't give me any issues and it'll keep my oiliness to a minimum. And it would also be nice if my smile lines and forehead lines don't start to look like really cracky and nasty, so we'll see about that. I did make sure to set the foundation. I used the Urban Decay makeup setting spray. It's a long-lasting spray, so this is oil-free as well. This could potentially make the foundation last even longer than it claims to, just because I used this. I didn't even think about that, but oh well, it's already been used. Like, I feel like I have a full coverage look going right now. I mean, I don't see any like darkness or anything coming through. My skin looks nice and even. I don't feel dry. I don't even feel like I'm wearing foundation. This is amazing. I hope that my opinion of it will stay the same as we go throughout the day, so I'll check back with you guys in a few hours. I guess I should tell you what time it is right now. It is 3:24. Okay guys, so I'm back. It is about 6 o'clock now and the power just went out as I was eating, and I'm afraid it's gonna go out again, so I'm just gonna update you guys now even though it's only been a few hours. Yeah, so looking at the foundation, it literally looks exactly the same. I have no fading, you know, no oiliness that I can see coming through. My forehead lines are fine. The only thing that I notice is my smile lines coming through, more so on this side than this side, but that's okay because that honestly happens to me with any foundation, just from talking, so not a big deal there. I'm just gonna pat my smile lines in with my finger. I'm not using any product or anything. Usually that helps and it makes it go away. So yeah guys, it looks good right now. I'll show you the time. It's almost 6. It's been a little over 2 hours and I am happy that nothing has really changed, so that's always good news. So it's about 10 o'clock right now. It's been 6.5 hours almost. Still looks pretty similar. So really the only changes that I notice is a slight bit of oiliness in my T-zone area, but it's not bad. It's just slightly shinier than it was when I very first put the foundation on. It's nothing that I feel like I need to fix. Like it's not even bad enough for me to want to blot it off or anything. Like if I was out and about and people were seeing me with my foundation like this, you know, it's totally okay with me. It's not as oily as it definitely could be. The rest of the foundation, besides my T-zone area, looks amazing. I still have great coverage, nothing faded whatsoever. I still have that nice color that I had before. And the rest of my makeup looks great too. Like my blush and bronzer and my concealer held up well on top of it. My powders look great. I don't feel dry at all whatsoever. Sometimes with foundations, when I wear them for too long, I'll start to feel like really tight on my skin, and I don't feel that at all. One thing I do have to say I'm really excited about is how my forehead lines did not show up. That happens with foundations when they're very full coverage and very heavy duty. They start to cake up in that area and it just looks awful. But this foundation, even with the 2 layers that I used, it did not do that to me. So it claims to have up to 12-hour wear. I think this will probably last up to 12 hours, but I would need to blot my chin, possibly just my chin, within the next 6 hours that I was to wear this. But I do think it would hold up since it has held up so well in these past 6.5 hours. I have these BH Cosmetics oil blotting papers. Never used them. We're gonna open them for the first time just because I want to see how this foundation looks after I blot. So here's my sheet of blotting paper. I'm gonna press that on my chin. Oh yeah, that's nice. See, it just took all the oil right away. Under here. Ooh, see, this looks like fresh again. I feel like I just put my foundation on. Yep, I'm good to go. That's all I needed. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to go take all this makeup off. I'm going to go get my workout in, and then I'm going to go to sleep. So thanks so much for watching. Please let us know in the comments what you think of this foundation, and if you tried wearing it up to 12 hours, let us know if it actually lasted that long. And yeah, hopefully you guys liked this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.